Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to make these adorable and super easy Patriotic Sea Shell Cookies. We will be doing some simple airbrushing and stenciling with royal icing. So let's get started with today's tutorial. First, we're going to ice all the cookies with 15-second consistency royal icing, and then I'm going to let the icing dry completely overnight. Now take your stencil and we're going to airbrush with red airbrush food coloring. I'm using some red and I also added a few drops of red sheen airbrush color, just a few drops. And for all the tools that I'm using in today's tutorial, be sure to visit the description box under the video. All the links are posted in there. Now you're gonna have to let that dry. We can continue with airbrushing. I'm using royal blue here. Again, this is a stencil that I'm using. And a third design, it's going to be stripes again, but we're going to put them on a diagonal, like so. And I'm using royal blue airbrush food coloring. You can also add a touch of sheen. Alright, once the airbrush color has dried, we can start stenciling with stiff royal icing. I'm using an adorable seashell stencil by STENCIL. You can find a link where you can get it down below in the description box. That's the first design. Second design, again, a really cute seashell, but instead of the blue royal icing, I'm using white. To make the stripes even, I'm using a template underneath and my needle tool and a spreader, something just with a straight edge. A ruler will be fine. And then you can pipe the lines across. Use piping consistency royal icing and then use white sanding sugar right after and dust it with white sanding sugar. So that's the flag. Third design, we're just gonna add the stars. So this is the stencil that I have for the stars. Add some stiff royal icing and then with a spreader spread it over. Make sure that you hold the stencil in place so it doesn't move. It shouldn't really be shifting. So hold it in place. Once you lift it up, you'll see there are few blobs on the sides. You can take those off with a needle tool or a toothpick. And here are all the patriotic cookies we did today. These turned out really cute, and airbrushing and stenciling really made the process super fast. So I hope you guys will try this technique. Have you been airbrushing and stenciling? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.